Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and today we're going to change the front brakes on this 2013 Lincoln MKX. Alright guys, jack up the car, remove the wheel, and we're going to start by taking off this caliper. I turned the wheel this way so it gives me better access to all this. So you need to remove the 17mm bolt right here and this one down here. Now you're able to remove this, and what you want to do is hang it over here someplace. You don't want to let it hang by the hose because you might damage the brake line. Okay, next take off the brake pads, and these had a little bit of life left. Next we got to take off the bracket, so we're going to take off this 19mm bolt and this one over here. This one I need an extension. Alright, now you can take off the rotor. If it's stuck on you, just hit it a few times. Next you want to wire brush all this rust off. Alright guys, these are the old rotors, these are the new ones, and that's the part number. We're going to spray these with some brake cleaner to wipe off some of the coating that comes from the factory, okay? Dirty. All right, throw some grease on the hub, that way your rotor doesn't get stuck on there. Now you can put your rotor in, and I'm gonna hold it in place with a lug nut. All right, next, pop off these clips, and you want a wire wheel where the clips were. Wire brush all this. Make sure there's like no rust in there. All right, these are your new brake pads. That's the part number. And they come with new clips, okay? So let's pop these clips on this. All right, sort out these clips because some of them are left and right. So these are different than these. So make sure that this part goes towards the inside where the rotor is. Because if you put it the other way, this will hit the road and make noise, okay? All right, I'm gonna throw a little grease where this little clips go. Some people say don't do it, but you don't want anything rubbing metal to metal and cause noise. These guys just pop right in, okay? Sorry about the noise. It's Saturday, everybody's mowing their lawn. Alright. Get in there. That's it. Alright. I'm gonna throw a little bit of grease on this too, so that way when you put on the pads will slide nice in there. Again, some people do it, other people don't. I always do it. All right, now you can throw your bracket on. All right, guys, next we need to compress these pistons. So I'm gonna use like an old brake pad, put it on here, and then throw a C-clamp on it to compress them, okay? All right, guys, these pads are the same for the inside and outside, so you just gotta slide them in. Okay. All right, guys, throw a little bit of grease on the back of the pads before you throw on the caliper. And this caliper, make sure like the part with the bolts go pretty clean. So throw this back on. Make sure these boots don't get crushed. There you go. Like that. Also make sure this line is nice and straight now. It's not twisted, okay? Okay, next, clean these pins and lubricate them with some of this silicone-based lubricant. You want to use silicone-based because you don't want to mess up the rubber, okay? Throw a little bit of grease on the outside of this rotor, just so your wheel doesn't get stuck on it. All right, guys, you're all done on this side. Just do the same thing on the other side and you're all done. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.